today's edition of the RDP Advent Calendar, I'm going to share with you a simple, quick hack to instantly improve the safety and quality of your lunges. And also, as a quick reminder, I do quick tip videos like this every week, so if you're new here, consider subscribing. So as I covered in a previous video, that one of the biggest reasons why we have poor muscle growth, knee pain, stability issues, just a whole host of issues when it comes to especially lunges, is we got too much of the stress of the exercise, the resistance on the front of the leg. One of the ways that you can fix this is to simply practice split squats with your foot on some sort of an elevated surface like a yoga block or a step or something, but have your toes, maybe even the ball of your foot, hanging over the edge. Doing this will instantly tell you if you've got too much weight bearing forward and down onto the ball of your foot, and instead of a little bit more towards your heel where it should be. Once you get a bit of a feel for getting more weight onto the back of your foot, not extreme, it's more like a 60-40 kind of ratio, because you still want some weight on the ball of your foot, you're going to have much better muscle activation, a lot less stress on the joints, a lot better improved performance and explosive power, plus strength going through your leg as a whole. I recommend warming up with this every single time you're doing lunges or unilateral work like Bulgarian split squats, pistol squats, things like that, because it's going to really help to dial in that muscle tension and improve the quality of every single rep. So do you have any questions on this? What are some of your best leg training tips down below? We'd love to hear from you here in the RDP community. And as always, be fit, live free.